Hey friends, if you wish to block driver updates via Windows quality updates using registry, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the first question is, why would you want to block driver updates? That is because a lot of users prefer to download updates manually from the manufacturer's website or update drivers manually. They don't want Windows to automatically update the drivers because those drivers may not be the latest ones. The latest drivers are the ones which are on the manufacturer's website. Now I'll guide you through the procedure. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft and Windows. Now we will create a new key named Windows Update. So copy this. Right click on Windows, select new key and name it Windows Update. Okay, in the right pane, we'll create a DWORD 32-bit value named exclude WU drivers in quality update. Copy it, right click new DWORD 32-bit value. Double click on it and change the value data to 0. Click on OK and restart your computer. It means that exclude Windows update drivers in quality update. In the next quality update, all features update, the drivers won't be updated because the value is 0. Value 0 means no, 1 means yes. So no means that it will not what do we say, block it will block the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.